A very good morning to all my teachers and students, and a happy Republic Day. 26th January, we celebrate Republic Day, commemorating the historic moment when our nation became an independent republic country. This event is a very wonderful and praising event for each one of us. Being a republic means having an elect form of government, elected by the people through a democratic setup. A government where chosen representatives could exercise their powers according to the rule of law as enshrined in our Constitution. Republic Day honors the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. In 1950, our first President Dr. Rajendra Prasad, in his first Republic Day speech, requested the people of India to rededicate themselves to the fulfillment of the great objective that the father of the nation lived, worked, and died. India is a democratic nation where each citizen is allowed to choose the leader to lead the nation. On 26 January 2021, we celebrate 72nd Republic Day of our country. After Independence Day in India, the whole country, regardless of caste, creed, religion, beams with joy and happiness on this day. Republic Day reminds us of our struggle to achieve Purna Swaraj. The struggle for freedom was based on some higher principles and ideas such as non-violence, cooperation, and non-discrimination. It is a day of national pride. Republic Day parade of the military reminds us that in the security of our territorial sovereignty, it is the outcome of many sacrifices. Our independence would have been empty if we had not known what we need to do with our hard-earned freedom. Our great Indian freedom fighters fought continuously against the British rule to make India a free country. We can never forget their sacrifice towards our country. We should remember them on such great occasions and salute them. It has become possible just because of them that we can think from our own mind and live freely in our nation without anyone's force. They did so that their future generation may live without struggle and lead the country ahead. We should not let go easily their all priceless sacrifices and make this country a slave country again under corruption, illiteracy, inequality, and other social discrimination. A nation will be able to prosper and grow only when its people are happy and content. To be happy, we need to have right, powers, equal opportunities, justice, liberty, and fraternity. These rights are guaranteed by the Constitution of India, whose inception we celebrate as Republic Day. Once again, I wish you all Happy Republic Day and pray that our nation may rise above all fears. Jai Hind.